Next airdrop we're going to do is Exenox. This is round 2. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of these coming up. In the link in the description box below, there'll be a link. Just click on it, it will send you right to this bot. Remember, never send any money to an airdrop. Airdrops are always for free. If they beg and beg you for money, don't send them any. And we'll fill in this captcha. Wrong captcha again. Yeah, that took about 3 times. Okay, they've got a full-on wallet for this. My smartphone off the net. After supply 2 million. So the first thing we're going to do here is click join airdrop. We're going to join the Telegram channel. You're going to go down here and click join. We've already joined this one. This is round 2 for us. You just click down here where it says mute. You're going to hit join. It says go to sponsors Twitter channel. Join that as well. Follow on Twitter. Open this up. Pretty sure we're already following on Twitter. So you're just going to go up here, give it a quick follow on Twitter. Then we're going to come back down to this bot and we're going to click on submit my details. We joined Telegram, yes, put your username in there. So just copy and paste your username into there. Click on next. I'm going to put this in as well. Same thing here. And your Twitter username next. Copy and paste your Twitter username into here. Click on next. And the next thing it's going to want is your ERC20 address. Just pop that in there like that. Click on this. Saving details. It's completed. Let's go back to main menu here. Check out our balance. We got 15. That's the end of this airdrop, and we're off on to the next one.